Saturday night, 2 o'clock a.m. and off for a walk. Fuck, I nearly walked into the pole, as you do. Anyway, this is the last beautiful walk through the waterfalls for me. Just had to do it. Nighttime is so beautiful. You're just so free and away from people. Not saying I don't like people. I don't love them all the time. But humanity. I made myself sound like I'm an alien or something, but I don't know. Just it'd be nice to see an intelligence level where we're all kind of on par. Anyway, so it starts from up there. So it goes all the way down there. So I will take you for the wee walk. It is fucking beautiful. I'm going to miss this. It's one of Outlook's finest projects. Is this? I mean, like, this is amazing, right? I was pulling in my driveway not long ago, about an hour ago after I went to the station. The moon was fucking there. Next minute, because I said to Matthew, I said, that moon's been there fucking all day. And then we've come out an hour later and it's gone. It's playing silly buggers with me. Hang on. Are you coming? Oh, okay. He's having a piece. As you do. So anyway, here it is. You'll hear the waterfall in a minute. It's so beautiful. But where I'm going is going to be fucking lovely, and it's also near waterfalls. I don't know what it is about waterfalls. It's fucking like, let's tripped over. Oh, fuck. And willow trees. Willow trees are my favourite, as you know. Many people know. So this little bridge here has got a waterfall. Fucking beautiful. Look at that willow tree in that light. Oh, here we go. Isn't that pretty? And then that goes down. That goes around there. I'm going to take that photo. Look at that. It's just so you'll carry on. Carry on.
No, you do this phone, Mum, I think.
No, come on. Or you want to go the long way around that way?
Long way. Shortcut, we go that way to get there anyway.
No, it's this way. Come on. Oh, I know the way. We're going my way. My way or the highway, mate. Right. So, I don't know. Oh, look. This video will be pretty long. Nice not to be a duck. That's what you say when it's raining. God, fuck, those street lights are bright, aren't they? Isn't it lovely? So this is a bit yuck. It's not that it's yuck, it's just stagnant. It needs more little, I don't know, little fountains or something. No, it just needs, I don't know, something. But anyway, we come up here to the lily pond where all the beautiful lotus lilies are. I'm pretty sure they're lotus lilies. It's a cabana. Oh great, a fucking shopping trolley. So that annoys me. Okay, so it's pretty low because it's summer. But you can see down there, see how pretty? So it's like the lily pond. Now the trolley, wicked. Not. But you can hear the waterfall in there. So we'll keep going. This is just the first part. This isn't even the best part. Oh, another trip over again. Wicked. So this is literally right from my house. My old house now. Let's go back. I don't want to go back there. Oh my goodness. I want to go back. So there's a pond over there, but it's not, that one's not as great as where we're going. We're going to skip that one. It's just a little bit of a water pond. It's boring. This is where it all starts. That's the good part. Yeah. Oh yeah. Awesome. Right, so we'll go in this part. Quick, there's a car. What are people doing up at this time of night? Go to bed. Try and enjoy the magic. Something magical about night time. Alright. So here you go. Here's the beauty. This is the best. Oh my god, everyone's messaging. Stop it. It's fucking 2 AM in the morning. I'm out on my walk. There's a willow tree in there. Okay. So. Look at that. Beautiful. So it comes all the way from under. But I rode the part I didn't want to go see. There's the willow tree. Now we'll go round. So this is where the ducks all hang out mainly. This is their main fucking hangout place. I don't know where they are. They're sleeping maybe. Usually they're always coming up and quacking a joke here and there. See, even there they could do a little a stagnancy waterfall into that spot as well. So okay, all I can smell is cigarettes and I can't be around you. Come talk to me when what's that? No, go this way. We'll cut through that way. I'll meet you there. I'm going this way. So anyway, keep cruising. Cruising. Walking. Here's another little cabana. I feel a bit better. I can breathe. I think I'm getting better. I don't think I'm sick anymore. I don't think. So this is Duck Beach. It's not for humans to swim. It's just looks like it though. You imagine your kids would get rather confused. Oh, here's somebody. Hear them? Yep, they're chatting away. I ain't got no bread. There's freaking white duck. What do they call him? I can't remember his name. But oh, look, Lucy's here. Hello, buddy. Oh, you. I knew it. This dude's been like known for his one of the locals. He's popular. This one. Hey dude, coming over? Coming over? Come say hi. Come on. Come on. There's Matt on the other side. There's that white duck, Matt. Isn't he gorgeous? Can't remember his name. Yeah, he did have a name. Oh, check them rocks out. They're beautiful. I love a beautiful rock. So anyway, let's carry on. There's the wheel. Your mate's over there, that's cool. So there's a massive waterfall here. I actually think it's the biggest one. It is. Oh, what do we have here? Here's the big waterfall. Is it flowing? Oh yeah, it is flowing. You just can't see it. You can see it from down there. So. What's that? That's a favourite spot. A little cabana. Oh look, some ducks, or whatever those birds are called. Hi! Oh yeah, this park's beautiful. So you can hear that waterfall. I'm not going to go all the way around that one, I'm going to go around this way. Yeah. That's nearly plumb. I'm going to go down there, see if I can film. Maybe I should cut through. Let's see. Can't get it. I'm a bit scared. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Anyway. Yeah. Into that big part. So it's amazing, isn't it? Beautiful. Absolutely. Alright, let's go back. Oh. And we'll go down there and see if we can see the waterfall. Main one, I'm going to sit down for a little while. Oh, birds are fucking active. Here we go. Hear it. Unfortunately, I reckon I should put some special lights in. I reckon they need to put special lights in around that waterfall, because see how the tree blocks it? The tree blocks it. It's unfortunate, but it's fine there. But look at the energy. There's lots of energy around. That confirmation. There's a waterfall behind that big tree. I reckon they need to just cut that tree back a bit. Just like those branches. You can't see it. It's a waste of the waterfall. It's the biggest, prettiest one of the whole. Right, we'll try and see it over there. So anyway, this is the huge big pond. Yeah, so even behind that tree is a waterfall. Sorry guys. I would really love to have been able to show you it. You can hear it. So when you got all that over there. Beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to miss this place. I'm going to miss it. I'm going to sit down right here. Oh. And where's that willow tree? Right, Matt. Awesome. Well, there you have it. Goodbye, Woodlake. Hello, beautiful hills and far away. And there's also a waterfall up near there. So I'm really not losing. I'm winning. Always winning. Always. The silver lining.